Hi, it's Charlie. Welcome back to Partick Hill Station. Today we're not at the station, we're in the washroom with a continuing story of the crappy American Standard. I thought I had it fixed with the continuous running or the intermittent running, but I had a look around the YouTube and I found a solution. At least I think this is a solution that's going to work and be helpful to anybody that's got one of these. So let's go and see what I'm up to on this next. Hi, it's Charlie here, back at the American Standard failure. So after I had received the new seal from American Standard, I installed it, thought that would be it. However, it continues to leak in a sort of irregular basis based on how that seal sits on top of the drain. So I searched around for ideas, and there was one guy on YouTube who had the similar problem, and what he did was he suggested using washers. Now these are stainless steel, he used brass. I think they're about the same weight. So you have to thread the washers through this hanger. It's best if you get a washer with a larger diameter opening. Makes it easier, but you can do it no problem. This is 1.25 inches, I think it is, by 5/16. Anyway, hopefully that additional load will keep the seal down on top of the drain opening, and it will stop the ongoing refilling of the tank, or flushing and refilling of the tank when nobody's using it. Okay, as you see, these washers are sitting on top of the lid and there are no bubbles there, so I'm just going to flush it. Now it dropped down right on top of it and it's filling up again. I think it might be working. We'll have to wait for 15 minutes or so to see if the weight being applied on top of that lid is effective, but I think that's secure. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it's useful to you if you've got a similar type situation with your toilet. Remember to give me the big thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time at the station. Bye for now.